Hey, what's going on YouTube? MemphisMike here. Hey, just a very quick, simple vid for you here. I've been tired of laying my helmets around everywhere in my garage and just wherever I can find places to. So I hung a few helmet holders up that I picked up off of Amazon. They were about 15 bucks each. I've got about 4 helmets between mine and my wife's and 2 others that I use regular. And I got tired of laying those things around everywhere. Let me show you what I've installed, and I'll put a link to Amazon to where I got these. They're about 15 bucks for these helmet holders. It's not going to be an install vid. Like I say, very simple vid of what I got here. As you can see right here, I got these, the helmets are hanging on the wall now. That's my Neotech. That's the wife's RF 1200. Let's go even over here. I've got my Bell Custom 500 hung up in the air right there. So I just thought I would show you these right here. If you're tired of just laying your helmet around, these are a very easy install. Let me show you. It comes with 6 wall anchors right there. You can see that. That's the actual helmet holder. I bought 4 of these. Only have 3 going right now to hang my helmets up. And like I say, I just got tired of laying my helmets around everywhere, you know, so they're 15 bucks a piece. Looks like something you see in a retail store, but let me show you the how these hang and how these work. It's not an install vid. I'm going to take this off here. Right here, there's my Neotech. That's it right there. So easy install. You can see right there, use the 4 wall anchors to go in. Using my Craftsman light to kind of give a little bit of light there. Take you a little drill out 4 holes and pop them in just like that. Very easy install right there. If you want to get these things up on the wall, I know maybe some of you got some other ideas that you use for hanging your helmets up. Maybe a cheaper option, maybe, but you know what? I don't know, 15 bucks to hang up a $600 helmet. Not a lot of money in my book right here. So that's it right there. I can put these helmets up on the wall and everything. Like I say, it's my showy Neotech I've got right there. And I just got tired of them laying around. So if you're looking for an easy solution to get your helmets in a secure place, and because they're round, they don't really, you know, create points inside the helmet that would actually, oh, I don't know, maybe compromise the inside padding of your helmet. This is a good option, and I'll put these up. I got this idea from Two Wheel Obsession when he put these up, and I have, like I said, about 4 helmets that I use regular. I only have 3 hung. I usually just keep 1 on the bike because I do ride pretty much every day and everything. So it's a good option. You can see right there, there's about 4 screws going in. Take you a drill you out 4 holes, measure it up, put it on the wall, and get it up out of the way. That's all I got for you. I'll stick a link in the description to where you can get these, and I appreciate you watching, guys. Thank you so much, and safe riding to you. Ride safe and ride often. And I will see you later. Thank you.